Yeah, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Back again with for real. We back. Another YouTube video. You know how this go. New carbon fiber kit on the way. What's a Wingstop? No cap. Mirror cap, spoiler, diffuser, front lip. Am I forgetting anything? I'm about to go prepare the whip. I'm still waiting on it to get delivered. So we about to go take out the grill. Oh, new grills too. New grills. When it gets delivered, I could just put those 3 on and just worry about the diffuser and the front lip. Let's get to it. Before looking like, no. Everything stock. Mirror caps. That's with the spoiler and stock diffuser. So I got the kidney grills out. Wasn't too bad because I already changed those. This is just like some wraps. You can't really tell, but they just clip on there. I don't think I showed y'all that, but new grills, like double slatted. So you're gonna be able to see these a lot more. I'm gonna clean this up. We still got the diffuser. We still got the mirror caps, spoiler, all that. Look how big the package is, bro. It's literally, hold on. Bro, it's literally taller than me. Like, what? And I'm 6 foot. Like, come on, man. Both mirror caps off. I got the spoiler off. I'm gonna have to clean up all this gunk right here. Trying to get this all done before the sun go down. All right, the front is all done and she's looking mean. Ooh. So now I'm about to flip it around and we about to put the diffuser on, the spoiler on. I'm gonna do the spoiler last. Oh my, look at the side profile now. Wow. All right. New carbon fiber grills. This ceramic coated it for me. New lip. We out to the back. Already took the spoiler off and I'm about to take the diffuser off. I got all the bolts on the floor already, so let's get to it. I got the rear diffuser off. About to put the new one on. Wasn't too hard to get it off. Trim, pull that out. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty much it. Like I said, I still gotta do the spoiler. This nasty, gritty ass shit up on it, man. All right, this is how the rear diffuser looking. It's looking clean, and everything got pre-ceramic coated, so I don't gotta worry about all that because I paid like $1,700 for the whole kit. Like, come on, man. And yes, this is real carbon fiber. It's getting a little dark out, so I'm about to put this on real quick, and I'll get back to y'all with the finished product. Probably gonna get some new exhaust tips because they was rubbing like a bitch on my old diffuser, but let's see the fitment with the new one. All right, guys. I finally got the rear diffuser on. I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like the fitment. Like, you could even see the gap from back here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. And also, my exhaust tips don't fit, but it look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I just gotta fix the gap. But yeah, that's how she's sitting, that's how she's looking. Last but not least, we got the CS style spoiler. I was gonna do the regular in performance, but I had that on my last one, my E82. So I wanted to switch it up, go with the more aggressive look. And I like it. It's not too aggressive, but it's not too subtle. Just right. I got the heat gun ready to go. so we can take care of this right here. Shitting me? Alright, so I finally got the spoiler on. I'm not gonna lie, I did not take off all the adhesive because I got a little lazy because I've been working on this all day, but that's besides the point. It looks good. Here's a little close-up for you guys. Looking real good. It's a new day though. It's raining currently. I'm about to show you the car real quick. Yeah, enjoy this short little view. Also got some new exhaust tips too. This is a spoiler. It's sitting just right. Feel me? Got the mirror caps. Tight. With the grills and all that. It looks good, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, it's pretty much it, yo. Let's have a spoiler look once again. That's pretty much it though. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm in love with it. Only thing left is I want to do the interior trim, like the door handles and this right here and this right here. I want to get all that carbon fiber, but this piece, it actually says in performance right here and it's Alcantara, and then the rest of it's like a dry carbon fiber and not like this, you know. But like I said, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's pretty much it. And never give up. I'm out of here. Gone.
I don't know him for meal. Catching Z's off this shit, it ain't no Benadryl. I told Lil Brody he should hit the booth instead of kill. Ops always hiding, they gon' probably drop from Fetty Pill. I just shot the Canton and caught a play on Cherry Hill. Exotic Gary thing, why you smoking Larry still? Exotic Gary thing, why you sliding in a Honda?